Hi, Kabuning! Today we're gonna eat lumpia and fried rice and banana ketchup. Let's eat.
Let's eat. Look at it. How is it, Kabuning?
It's so good. It's so good. I'll try with the ketchup. Ah!
How is it, Kabuning? The fried rice with the lumpia.
Amazing.
Amazing. How much would you rate it?
10 out of 100.
Okay? Eh di mababa yun. 100 yung highest mo.
Huh?
100 yung highest mo eh.
100 out of 100.
Really? I'm just gonna eat fried rice and egg because I don't eat pork. How's the lumpia?
Nom,
Did I
nom.
cook it right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
That was amazing.
Banana ketchup is the best.
American ketchup, no.
Really?
Or Filipinos.
Sarap din, di ba yung sa McDo?
Not that much.
Really?
I like this better because I'm a Filipino.
Ganun ba yun?
Mm-hmm. Na na na.
Sarap. So, order na Kabuneng, lumpia, pork.
Nam nam nam. Nam nam nam. Pinky pinky nam nam nam. You cannot go wrong with banana ketchup.
Really? Daddy is on duty today. So it's just us.
Yay!
It's just mommy and Kabuneng.
Which is good. Na, na, na. If some Americans are watching
This is
this,
the banana ketchup.
if some Americans are watching this or eating spring rolls and fried rice,
Mm-hmm. Banana
ketchup.
ketchup.
You cannot go wrong with
Cannot go
banana
wrong.
ketchup. Do, do, do. Do, do, do.
So good.
How would you rate your cooking?
I like it. Of course, I'm gonna say it's good because I cooked it.
10 out of 10.
Sige na, finish na.
I need water.
Water? Okay.
Nan, nan, nan.
There's a fly.
I just saw it when I was watching.
Uh-oh. The lumpia is really good. Approved by Kabuneng. She can finish 4 lumpias. It's not small lumpia, it's a big one. So good. Sige na, by Kabunengs na. Finish eating na. Subscribe. Dali.
Ay, mamostok.
Show them how to eat lumpia in a Filipino way.
With rice?
First, yeah. Put
I
banana,
don't
banana
eat
ketchup.
anymore.
Put banana ketchup. So if you guys sending us from the Philippines, watch our viewers in the Philippines, send us the Jufran. Jufran banana ketchup. This is like $5 here.
Cheapy.
No, here is expensive. In the Philippines, it's cheap.
Like
This is like $5, $7. I don't know. So first, you put the banana ketchup. Get your lumpia.
And dip it.
Dip it in the ketchup. Have a good bite. And
I'm gonna do.
oh, the Filipino way. She's gonna use her.
Nom, nom.
Are you proud to be a Filipino?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Very proud.
Oh, really? Why?
So if you're lazy, get a spoon and fork, you just use your hand.
That's how you eat. You put your leg up. Very Filipino.
Coffee queen.
Kasi ikaw ay Filipino.
No, 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 no.
Go na, finish na. Eat the veggies too. Veggies is good for you. Galing nga. 4 nga kaya ubusing lumpia. That's turkey. Turkey ham. Kunti na to. Huwag ka mag-touch ng feet mo kasi you put your hands in your mouth. And for the dessert, I'm gonna eat cassava cake.
And for my dessert, I'm gonna have mochi ice cream.
Mochi ice cream. It's not Filipino. So good. You pair it with coffee. Oh my God. That's a combination.
Mom, can I have this?
Okay. I say bye na to, Kabalings.
No.
Sige na.
We're still gonna eat it.
Later na. Bye na.
No, next video.
Bye.
Bye, Kabling.